Thanks for joining. So squatting and rowing, what do they have in common? So if you've ever done any workouts or anything or gotten any advice on squatting and squatting form, you might have heard the keep your feet shoulder width apart, keep your toes pointed forward with maybe a slight rotation outward, and try and keep your hips back, don't let your knees come in front of your toes, all these different things. Well, that's kind of changed over the years as we've adapted things, understanding that people are different. Some people walk more duck-footed with their feet out. Some people walk pigeon-toes with their feet in. Some people are wider than other people. All these different things and previous injuries you might have, and things like that. All of those things contribute to how somebody squats. So now, a lot of people aren't saying that. If people are still saying those things, I recommend getting a different coach or trainer because that's a very outdated way of thinking. Nowadays, it's find that spot that's comfortable for you. Play with a wider squat, play with a thinner squat, play with 1 foot out, 2 feet out, whatever's comfortable for you. So for me, I have less mobility in my left ankle because I've had 3 left ankle surgeries. So when I squat, and if I find I'm not on top of my flexibility and mobility, I find that when I go to do a squat, so you can see my feet now. Yes, okay, let's see if I have room to squat. My right foot is pretty much forward. My left likes to go out a little bit. And that's because I have a left ankle injury. Now, some people might want to be a little bit wider like this. Some people might want to be more narrow. Some people might want more rotation outward. You squat in the position that's comfortable for you, your hips, your ankles, your knees, what's comfortable for you. Rowing's really similar. So if I take this position right here and I get on a rowing machine, now my head might be cut off, I'm sorry. But if I get on the rowing machine, this kind of looks like a squat. It's pretty similar. I'm a little bit more upright when I'm squatting, but the flexion that's happening at all these joints is really similar to a squat. So if I don't squat the same as that ideal feet forward type of thing, but the rowing machine is making me go in that position, what do? So that's what I wanted to talk about a little bit. So if you're a person who, when you're squatting and you get into that deep squat, you find, hey, maybe the foot wants to be a little rotated and I'm having some pain on my side of my leg when I'm rowing and this is forcing me into that forward position. Maybe I'm putting extra stress on those muscles in those areas because I'm forcing my foot into a position it doesn't necessarily want to be in. So if you just create a little bit of that external rotation that it likes, that takes away some of that tension that you might be having. Sometimes that affects our hips, our knees, our feet, our shins. Everyone's a little bit different, but you can make the rowing machine work for you and what's going on with your body. So that's how squats and the rowing machine are a little bit connected. So I wanted to talk about that a little bit. If anyone has any questions about them, their rowing, how you can adapt it for them, just let me know. My battery is low, so I'm gonna stop this pretty soon. But thanks for tuning in. I hope that helps some of you. And if you've got questions, just feel free to ask them.
All right, I just realized I have a really funny background behind me, but if you liked that and you want more, please hit that subscribe button. It helps other people find this channel, and it helps me be able to support you more so that I know what kind of material that you want. So please feel free to reach out. Put in the comments. You can also, if you are interested in a rowing analysis or an analysis where I look at your movement and your mobility, we can do a one-on-one Zoom session just like this. We jump on the rower, I watch you do some movements, and then we go from there and give you some actionable steps that are targeted for you and your body. So let me know if you have questions. Bye.